Hello everyone. Today we have a session planned on chakra healing, and as you all know, chakras are our energy centers. But before we start with the guided healing process, which I'm going to take you through, I'm going to tell you a little bit about the chakras, their locations, the corresponding colors, their names, and the emotions connected with each and every chakra. I have already sent some information on my page on the website of Narastu, but still I'll be quickly going through this so that you are aware about what we are doing. So before we start, let me first of course thank Narastu for giving me this platform today to interact with you all and to reach out to you all so that we can enhance our life using all these spiritual processes, and especially during this time of COVID time, which is so stressful for all of us. There are a lot of insecurities, there are a lot of questions in our mind, what the life is going to be post-COVID or during COVID also, how do we cope with all these stresses. So these spiritual processes, one of them which we are going to deal with today, that is chakra healing and balancing, they help us get over these situations in a very normal way, in a very relaxed way. We are able to face the challenges of life. Now let's start with this process, and along with this process, let me tell you, this is a very good way of building our immunity as well. Especially nowadays, we all must have a strong immunity to face this virus, and any level of immunity to be reached. And I'm sure we all are aware that it is the first psychological process which has to be built up. We have to be very strong from inside, and to get that inner strength, we need to build up spiritually. We need to get that spiritual strength so that we are at a very high level of positivity, high level of awareness about what is going on, high level of our energy levels are very high, and that is how we'll be able to have a higher immunity physically as well. All right, so let's start with the guided process. And guided process, as you all know, I will be taking you through the chakras. There are 7 chakras in our system, and we start from the chakra number 1, which is at the base of our spine. This chakra is called the root chakra, and the other name for this is Mooladhar, and this chakra is corresponding to the color red, and the emotion that is connected with this is of our security or whatever insecurities that we feel. It is our grounding to the world. So that is all problems related with our material life are situated here. So that is what this chakra is going to balance. Chakras are like wheels of energy, moving wheels of energy. So that is what, when we focus during my guided process, I'll be just talking about it, and we'll go through this together. So above that, when we move upwards, below the navel, that is the second chakra. That chakra is orange in color, and it's at sacral position. Now this also, the other name for this is Swadhishtan chakra. So this chakra deals with our emotions, with our creativity, with our feelings of intimacy, and this is orange in color, as I said. So this is also a very strong chakra to take care during all our emotional upheavals. Then we come above the navel. This chakra is yellow in color. This is called solar plexus, and the other name for this is Manipur chakra. This deals with our vitality, confidence and power, and a lot of other emotions are generated here. Emotions of fear also are generated here. So when we need to deal with all these things, we need to balance this chakra. Then above this we come to the heart chakra. Heart chakra is situated here at the center of the chest. This is green in color, and this is the seat of love, seat of compassion, hope. So we can energize this chakra for improving all these qualities. Above this we come to the throat chakra. This chakra is blue in color. This is also called Vishuddhi chakra, and we can later on go into this deeper into this, why it is called Vishuddhi, and how we can enhance our communication, and how we can enhance our healing through this chakra also. Next we move to our third eye chakra. This is indigo in color, which is deep blue in color. Now this is our seat of intuition. This is also for our imagination. So then we need to energize this for all that. And then after this, we come to a crown chakra. This crown chakra is called Sahasrara chakra. Now, this Sahasrara means 1,000-petal lotus. So this is our connection to our higher self. So for our understanding, for understanding of a consciousness or connecting with our higher consciousness, this is where we need to focus on and energize that and balance that. So these are the chakras, the colors, and then we have the names and the corresponding emotions. Let's move through the guided process now. Now I would like you to all to sit comfortably with your back straight, as the spine is going to be erect while sitting. Be comfortable. You can use cushions and pillows to make yourself comfortable so that your back is straight, but it's not erect in such a way that it's going to take your attention away from your inner self. So to start, you're going to close your eyes and start deep breathing. Breathe deeply, breathe in and slowly breathe out. While breathing in, please imagine that you're taking in positive energy. Take it in, let it be absorbed all throughout your system, and breathe out all negativity that is there inside. Whatever is unwanted is going to be coming out through your breath. Again, deep breath in, inhale positivity and exhale all negativity. Now that we are relaxed, we are going to start feeling. We are going to start with a feeling that we are connected with this source of energy which is controlling the whole of universe. This source of energy is also inside me. I am connecting with that ultimate infinite source and feel that energy flowing inside me, flowing along my spine, flowing in my body, freely flowing. Let it be absorbed by the body. Feel complete absorption. Take in as much as you want, as much as you can. Feel one with this source. Let it radiate to each and every part of the body. Feel the energy moving out of the body now. Let it radiate outwards and reach out to the environment around you. Let it expand to each and every thing around you, in your house, in your building. Gradually expand to the street and expand as much as you can to all the creatures, connecting with all the creatures in the environment, connecting with nature and connecting with the whole universe. Feel one with everything and slowly come back to your body and feel your body in a relaxed way. And now we are going to focus on the root chakra. That is chakra number 1, which is red in color. Imagine this light is energizing this chakra. This is a moving chakra, wheel of energy. We just have to imagine that it is moving freely. The energy is moving freely there without any blockage, without any obstruction. If you feel this blockage, in a relaxed way, feel the energy removing everything and energizing and making it into a beautiful red color. slowly moving up to the second chakra, which is orange in color, and it is energizing this chakra also. The base chakra is completely energized. All our feelings about insecurities and grounding are balanced. Now coming up to this orange chakra, this is also getting completely balanced. The energy is flowing freely without any blockage. If there's any blockage, just feel this energy, removing it and moving as freely as possible. This orange chakra is connected with our emotions, with our creativity, with our feelings of intimacy. They're all getting balanced. Moving up slowly to the third chakra, which is yellow in color. This chakra is also getting completely balanced. If there's any blockage, feel the energy removing it, and it is freely moving in the chakra and along the spine, everywhere. Feel the free flow. Our confidence, vitality, power, this is all being balanced here. Moving up towards the heart chakra, this green chakra is also getting beautifully aligned, it's getting beautifully energized. There is absolute free flow of energy here, and our love and compassion is improving in this chakra, and it's getting balanced. Moving up to the throat chakra, this is blue in color, and all our problems of communication will get sorted out once we balance this chakra. Slowly moving up to third eye chakra, which is Agya chakra. So all our intuition, vision, imagination, all these qualities are getting balanced. Feel the energy move freely, balancing and energizing. Moving up to the seventh chakra, crown chakra. It is violet in color, sometimes it's also shown as white in color. Feel the energy, energize this chakra also, and this chakra is also completely energetic, completely balanced, and there's free flow of energy throughout the system. So there's healing taking place, there's balancing taking place at all these points, and it is affecting the whole system. I'm completely healed. We are completely healed. We are completely balanced and one with nature. Let's thank this infinite source of energy for giving us this healing. Feel rejuvenated and refreshed, and slowly open your eyes. Breathe deeply and feel the healing. Thank you. This completes our process of chakra healing, chakra balancing. You can practice this on your own too. And whenever we have an interactive session, I can send healing not only through social media but also through our connection which we make through our energies. Thank you very much.